What's going on, everyone? This morning I got my Weber Slate out, got the heat on low, and we're gonna be cooking some breakfast on it. What we got some eggs, sausage, bacon, hash browns, a little bit of peppers and onions to go inside of the hash browns. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, get some of this vegetable oil. I'm just gonna do just a little bit over here on this left side. Grab your spatula. I'm gonna rub it in. Just do a light little coat. Then we're gonna get our hash browns. Thick old hash browns. The rest. Gonna flatten it out. That's gotta soften up, but we're gonna cook this on this side and let that heat up a little bit. Season it with some salt and pepper, and then it's good to go. Alright, on this side over here, we'll open up a stick of butter. Or half stick, whatever you want to call these. Lather it down over here. Then we're going to put our bacon over there. Our bacon on that side. Alright, now hash browns been cooking a little bit. Put some salt on them. Crack some pepper. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here, grab these. We're gonna have to make a little bit of room real quick right here. We're gonna grab these. Peppers and onions. Let them cook right there. Alright, go ahead and flip these. Alright, so now we got that done. We're gonna come over here. Oh yeah. It's looking perfect. While that's happening, these, go ahead, toss them on. We'll give them a nice mix here in a minute. Give that a couple more minutes. That bacon pretty much is good to come off. So we'll go ahead, go over there, pull that bacon off, put it in a pan. And now we're going to throw some of these sausage links on. We're going to let those cook. Keep an eye over here on these. Here in about 2 or 3 more minutes, these are going to be done pretty much. Alright, these sausages, they cook real fast, so go ahead and take those off, put them right there on top of that bacon. Just like that. What we're going to do is we're going to cook some pancakes. We're going to lower the heat on these pancakes. We're going to put it on low. Oh yeah. I like the shake and pour. It's easy, convenient. And I personally like the way they taste. I don't like making too big of pancakes. But about like that. Like that. Let that cook for a little bit. Flip it. Let it cook. Meanwhile, I think we're about to take these hash browns off. Alright, let's take a peek here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a nice pancake. Look at that. some golden crispies. It's a good pancake. Alright, so pancakes are done. Look at that. Those are beautiful pancakes. Ooh. Alright, last but not least is my personal favorite, eggs. So what I'm gonna do, go ahead and crack all these. Put them in a, we're gonna scramble these, except for one, because my girlfriend, she wants to be needy. She's gonna make a McGriddle. Or a griddle. I guess we're not at McDonald's. So it'd just be a griddle. But we're gonna crack 6 eggs in here. As so. As so. And then we're gonna grab our fork. We're gonna go ahead and wisp these. And then what I like to do, grab a little bit of salt and pepper, sprinkle some salt in there, crack some pepper like that. We're gonna give it one last quick little whisk. Alright, now grab our butter. Wherever you're gonna be cooking that eggs, give you a nice working area. As so. And then while this is still hot, I'm gonna cook her egg, my girlfriend's egg, inside of this. So I'm just gonna rub a thin piece of layer so it don't stick inside of there. And then we're gonna cook that right there. All right. So what we're gonna do is her egg. I'm gonna crack it. Put it right there. And then these, we're gonna scramble right there. And what I do with eggs, I always keep my eggs moving. Always keep my eggs moving. Try to keep it away from them edges. Yep. Always keep them eggs moving. Scrambling eggs is not gonna take too long. All right, I like my eggs a little wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Uh-oh, don't wanna mess with that guy. So these eggs are done. I'm gonna go ahead and bring these inside. I'm gonna flip that. All right, got myself my breakfast. Eggs, hash brown, sausage, bacon, pancake. I mean, basically breakfast buffet. Eggs are good. Hash browns are great. Sausage, amazing. Bacon, crispy, but also limp, the way I like it. Can't go wrong with pancakes. Amazing. Alright, that was my little breakfast buffet. Family wanted me to make it. Figured I'd, get on the camera, show y'all how I do it. Appreciate y'all watching. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see me cook next. Appreciate y'all.